this year we have made a road there connecting the village.
न्यूज सिटीज, खबर हर शहर की।
Today there are 300 people living there. There is a school being opened and there is a medical facilities. So that is the connect what we are providing to the countrymen. Apart from making roads, because most of us understand that BRO stands for Armed Forces. I think more than that we stand for our people. And our central thought or central philosophy of the organization, what after joining this organization I have given is connecting places and connecting people. And it is bringing lot of prosperity, lot of facilities. The central government schemes were not reaching these people. When I went to Umlingla on 3rd October very recently, I talked to the people of Debchok. This road is connecting Debchok and Trishumule, if you are aware. And those people had a lot of happiness on their faces because they say that before this road came, people from Debchok to go to meet their relatives in Hanle used to take 2.5 days on horseback. And today they take only 3.5 hours. So please understand the difference it has made to the lives of those people. It's a game changer. Because here there are roads, in plains there are roads, now we are making smart roads. We are thinking of infusing all the technology what is available to us. But on the borders, they are not roads, they are not even tracks. Those are isolated places. Lahaul Spiti was cut off for 6 months till the time Atal Tunnel was made, which is the longest tunnel in the world at height of 10,000 feet or above. It is again an engineering marvel. Today, those people have got access to all the medical facilities, education, and other schemes. I need to. How much time? So, I will concise what I have to say to you. And not only these roads, we are also using a lot of new technology because when we had to make this road on Umlingla, which is 19,300 feet, you would be aware at those heights when water crystallizes during the winters, minus 40 degree temperature, there is a soil heave. And soil heave damages the road. So we used non-frost susceptible subbase, which is first time in the country we have used on those kind of roads. And we are using, apart from this, geocells, geoweb, lot of other means to stabilize the slopes on the fragile mountains in Arunachal, Uttarakhand. We are also using plastic coated aggregate, which is making the roads impervious. So there are a lot of practical things happening as per the compulsions of the places where we make roads. We also are using a lot of machines, new machines. Zojila Pass, which is traditionally opened till November. I need to hurry up. So I'll just tell you, a lot of things are happening of infusion of technology, what we are seeing here, but it's a process. It will take some time, and it's a quite a awareness to come here. And we have also connected the southernmost Panchayat, Lakshmi Nagar, in Great Nicobar Island, which was not connected to anything till now. It is connected to Shastri Nagar, which is 52 kilometers north of it, through crossing over Galathia River, which is 216 meter crossing. Very recently, those people are very happy. So such like experiments are happening apart from experimentation with the technology. We are connecting hearts, and we are talking about smart light poles, green technology, smart lighting, traffic control management. अंत में मैं यही बोलूँगा कि I would like to request all you people from the industry and this sector of traffic management and traffic control and smart roads that you must come together, and there is a lot of space there on borders for your experimentation of the technology what you are making, the products you are making, so we can make life better on the borders too, apart from the mainland. And we are absolutely committed to the job what we are doing as part of this organization which has been unheard, unseen, and we are faceless people, but we are trying to give face to this organization